Good morning guys! Yan, paalis kami ni Hana. Punta kami ng Walmart. Sama kayo guys sa amin. So next week guys, magpapasko na. Hindi pa ako nakapag Christmas shopping. Kasi nga, busy talaga kami sa bahay. At hindi rin ako nakakalabas. First time kong lumabas ngayon. Simula nung umuwi kami. So, let's see. So let's see if we have package. Tingnan ko muna baka meron kami mga mails. So yan, dito yung aming mailbox. Yan, so meron tayong package. Dalawang package. Guys, dito na kami sa Walmart. Come on. Thank you. Hello. Maybe Santa will be faster. Oh yeah. Oh, you did? Hello! Nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay at nagluluto ako ngayon ng aming pananghalian. Yung pinirito ko nung nakaraan, ayan, ginisa ko siya sa repolyo na may kamatis, bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, and then yung isda. Bumili din ako ng buto ng baka, pang nilaga. Yan. So, pinapalambot ko lang siya ngayon. And then, mag-a-add ako ng gulay mamaya. Yan guys, nilabas na pala namin yung carpet galing din sa baba para ilagay yung aming Christmas tree at mga gift dito. So, lilinisin lang namin to kasi madumi siya, galing pa to dun sa bahay namin dati.
Couldn't stay, I couldn't wait, but I thought that you should know that I would have. Can hang around, can ask your name, but now I'm thinking maybe I should have. If I hadn't turned to leave, would you have come to sit with me? Love the feeling of your eyes on me, like something from a fantasy. Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too?
Guys, dito kami sa Office Depot. Naghahanap si Mr. ng desk kasi magsiset up siya ng office sa bahay.
Mirai does not. when you kiss me. I'm under your spell, will you miss me? Only time will tell. I can't think of anything but you. That is what you do. Moonlight, let us go on all night. Postpone the daylight and morning dew. Moonlight, make us feel alright, just until daylight finds we are two. When your arms around me makes me feel so good, like a shooting star right out of Hollywood. Baby, when you kiss me, I'm under your spell, will you miss me? Only time will tell. I can't think of anything but you. That's just what you do. When your arms around me makes me feel so good, like a shooting star right out of Hollywood. Baby, when you kiss me, I'm under your spell, will you miss me? Only time will tell. I can't.
What else is in there?
Yan guys, nag-i-snow. Gonna close this.
Sweet laugh, big heart.
Somebody has mail today. Who's that for? Kanina umaga guys, nag-snow. Ngayon, sobrang lamig lalo. Grabe guys, ang sakit-sakit ng tonsil ko. So, meron akong holes dito na ano, para sa lalamunan. Yan, tara na guys. So, nandito na ako sa The Pinnacle. Dito to sa, sa Bristol. Guys, Christmas shopping talaga. Ang daming tao. Yan guys, tignan nyo. Grabe, ang laki ng store na to. Tignan mo, may sarili siyang, driveway. Dito na ako guys. Grabe, ang hirap maghanap ng parking. Puro puno talaga. Yung Bass Pro Shop, siya, yung outdoor siya na mga equipments, mga gamit, like yung mga damit, mga boots, mga ganun. Basta lahat na yata ng mga outdoor na kailangan, yung mga sporting stuff. kung nasan yung mga part nila. Hello, hi. Puro outdoor. Mga pangmalamig yun. Yan, so yun guys, puro yung hilera na yan, puro pang fishing goods. Grabe, ang daming choices. Imagine nyo lahat ng pain nandito na, ayan. So parang ganito yung hinahanap ko para kay Mr. para hindi siya mabasa pag may ginagawa sa labas. Guys, nakabalik na ako dito sa sasakyan. So ngayon, pagkagaling dito, pupunta naman ako sa Asian store. Kasi mamimili ako ng grocery para sa aming Noche Buena. Guys, ang laki ng mall nito. Sobrang lapad. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Dito guys, yung mall, yung watak-watak siya. Kaya kailangan mo talagang, tawag nito, may sasakyan. Kasi hindi pa rin uubra yung maglalakad ka kasi yung mga tindahan medyo malayo sa may agwat ba. Hindi kagaya sa atin yung mall nasa loob lang ng isang building. Dito watak-watak. Ayan. So yan, nakita mo yung building na yun, kasama pa yan sa mall. And guys, dito na ako sa Asian store. Yung Asian store na to, dito to sa Kingsport, Tennessee. Minsan madami ako nakikitang mga Pilipino dito. There's sticker rice here. Ayan na guys yung napamili ko so far. So pansit na lang. Ang cute ng mga plato nila dito. Dito ko nabili yung sa amin eh. Ayan. So ito lang yung choices nila ngayon. And guys, tapos na ako sa Asian store. Ayan, doon napamili ko 2 box. Tapos pupunta naman ako dyan sa may likod lang. Nandyan yung grocery din. So, ayan, medyo malapit lang and then uwi na ako. Hi guys, kanina pa pala ako nakabalik galing ng grocery. So, nailagay ko na lahat yung grocery namin. And then, ngayon nagluluto kami ng dinner. Ayan, meron tayo dyan, tigahiwa. So, ayan guys, gagawa ako ng potato soup. Magluluto din ako ng steak. Ayan, yung sibuyas na hiwa na. Si Hana at saka yung papa niya, busy din dito sa kabila. Nag-i-install siya ng mga office desk. Ooh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just trying to focus.
Be careful.
I know how to keep a potato.
So yun guys, ito yung partner ng ating soup. Ginawa ko itong dough kagabi. So yung gagawin ko, hindi ko siya i-bake. May dry spot dito. Yan. So, ipa-pan fry ko siya. Niluluto ko lang yung bacon.
I couldn't stay, I couldn't wait, but I thought that you should know that I would have. Can hang around, can ask your name, but now I'm thinking maybe I should have. If I hadn't turned to leave, would you have come to sit with me? Love the feeling of your eyes on me, like something from a fantasy. Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more with you? Did you think of chasing after me like something from a movie scene, never knowing what could have been?
So yung i-install ni Mr. Bali, dalawang desk siya. So ito yung magiging bago naming office. Ayan, so tapos na yung sa akin. Yan guys, meron na akong office. Pan fry lang siya. So if you want to make a homemade bread, quick and easy, yan lang yung gagawin mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng oven. Just hold it and flip it quick.
I was holding back when you saw me smile. Swear my heart was beating through my chest. Should've never left, should've stayed a while. Maybe then I wouldn't be asking if I hadn't turned to leave.
And guys, yung ating steak. Decoration na.
Fantasy. Did you feel it from across the room? Did you feel a little enchanted too? Did I miss something more?
Ating sabaw ay luto na rin. Hanggang kaon pa.
Me either.
Ito yung bread.
I still love mommy bread and pieces.
We are watching The Boy Called Christmas.
That's not a solution. What it must be.